Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can view all of the admins in your Facebook Messenger group. So first, let's navigate to our Facebook Messenger by clicking on this messenger icon at the top right corner of our screen. Then once you're in the messenger, simply go to that particular group that you want to check the admins of. So for example, say this group. Now hit the members button present right here. Once you've clicked the members button, you can see all of the members list. Now for example, here I just have 5 members, but in case you have 500 members or more and there are a lot of admins, then it might be a tedious task to search for every admin one by one. So what you can do is simply click on this admins option right here. Once you have clicked on the admin button, it will list out all of those admins that are currently present in this group. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.